said I'm the best dad. That thing goes about 20 miles an hour. Check it out. How's it look? It's pretty fast. Get the wheels, get the wheels. Let's do a burnout. Ready? Go. Where the seat is at? Right there. Check it out. 2014 Lamborghini.
Miguel, can I have your car? Why?
I wish it was nighttime so you could record it.
She ran your battery over.
Damn, he's drifting. Look at it. That's an awesome car. It's my dream. Awesome. Who's the best dad in the whole wide world? What? I can't hear you. What? All right then. High five.
Next, I'm getting me a go-kart.
No, Miguel's getting a go-kart.
No, I'm getting a go-kart. Miguel can ride on the engine of the go-kart.
He's gonna burn his butt. Okay. He's drifting. You must have ran that battery all the way down, didn't you?
Oh, don't do that. The car is sensitive.
You got a 3-month warranty, don't worry. It's under warranty. You know how I do, I put everything under warranty. I know everything's repaired. Oh. Is it still filming? Oh, sorry. You want to race my car? You want to race my car? You want to race the Lexus? Come on, let's race the Lexus.
No.
We'll do a burnout and then we just go.